Hey guys, today is a special day. Today is bell ring day for my wife. After 6 weeks of radiation treatment straight to her brain, 5 days a week for 6 weeks, today is the final day, man. I just thank God, and I just want to share with everybody. Thank you all for your prayers and for your support. Like, we really felt it through this whole thing. And we know that the battle ain't over. We still in the fight, but it just really feels good for things to be going in a positive direction. And this radiation stopping the growth of the tumor is a major part of it. And it's been 3 weeks. My wife has had no seizures. Her leg is getting so much better that I have to slow her down. She's not using a cane or anything like that anymore. I'm just grateful today, and I'm bringing you guys along for the trip. It is bell ring day. What a day it is. Y'all stay tuned. Got Jamilion in the building. She told the house we got Jamilion in the building. Representing like always. That's awesome. Wow. The final ride. Represent. All right. Yeah, Jelly Bean is in the building. You got the boogeyman and pushed him on in, so he had to take that long walk on his back.
Got the Cadillac chair.
Oh, the little Cadillac chair with the no sock slipper sneakers.
That's right, man.
Got the golden boy here. Jelly Bean.
Nobody gotta hold on to it.
That shirt say never underestimate a Jackson.
Covered by the blood of Jesus.
I know that's right.
Don't underestimate this.
We in the building.
That's right.
There's fighters here.
Grandson.
So her day is Thursday.
The VA in Philadelphia cheated me. I had a chance to ring the bell myself. They said that where my cancer was located, they couldn't safely do the radiation, right? But I've been undetectable for now almost 2 years.
Yeah, thank God he's been living tonight.
The medicine that they give me, keep me going.
Because sometimes,
ring that bell.
yeah, he wanted to ring that bell, but sometimes it's, yeah, right. It's the right. Yeah, I heard they might sneak and get a ring. And your day is Thursday. Thursday, she can't wait. Wow. And I think it's all about keeping your spirit up, no matter what. I told her when they found the tumor, I don't care whatever news they come with. I don't care if they said it was the worst news. We're going to keep our spirit up, and we're going to let God handle us as an individual case. We ain't got to Google and know what happened to this one and all this one and that one and that one. Individual case, you know what I mean? This is what we're going to handle it as. So, man, it's a blessing. All right, you ready, my love?
So what you're going to do is a knock on that side and like a knock on that
Yes.
side. Because it doesn't just ring.
It say 3 times.
Ding,
Oh.
ding, or however you want to do it.
And read the thing before you ding it.
Read it out loud?
It says, ring this bell 3 times well to celebrate this day. This course is run, my treatment is done, and I am on my way. All right, 3 times, my love. 2, 3. Whoa, she rung it more than 3 times. Turn around, my love. Turn around that way. All right. Yeah.
And I thank you so much. I appreciate your spirit so much.
To celebrate this day, this course is run, my treatment is done, and I am on my way. All right, 3 times, my love. 2, 3. Whoa, yeah. More than 3 times.
Way more than 3 times.
Oh, daddy, now, wine and dine. Oh, daddy, now, just wine and dine. Oh, daddy, now, just wine and dine. Oh, daddy, now, wine and dine.
We feasting and Riesling on ice like a bee sting. Whatever it takes to be king, yeah. Just me and my she thing. I love the way that she sing. This energy that we bring, yeah. She love the way I talk, yo. I'm pouring more Marlowe. I'm paying for a car new, yeah. You going kinda far, yo, man, she can have it all, yo. She carrying the cargo, yeah. I love the way she climbing bed, especially when the wine is red. My lyrics all inside her head, yeah. I'm sticking to the manuscript, you know the table's candlelit. Now tell me, can you handle this? Come here, give your man a kiss.